All right, in this lesson, we'll talk about conjunctions. So what are conjunctions? A conjunction is just a word that we use to connect a clause, which is like a semi-sentence, part of a sentence, or to use to connect two sentences. So our example here, we have two sentences. I have a dog, I have a cat. Okay, it's fine. These are good sentences, but to be more advanced in English, we want to make this longer into one big sentence. So we use something called a conjunction. So and is a conjunction. It joins these two sentences. Now we have, I have a dog and a cat. So we are writing a better sentence, more complex, and we're taking out information that we don't need. Okay, so here we have, I have. We just need it once. Now in English, there are three main types of conjunctions. We have coordinating conjunctions. Okay, these are conjunctions that join words and phrases that are similar. We have subordinating conjunctions. These ones will show a relationship between two situations. And then we have correlative conjunctions. And these are pairs of conjunctions that join words or phrases that are similar. So let's look at what these are exactly. All right, so here we have coordinating conjunctions. And remember, coordinating conjunctions, they join words and phrases that are similar. So here we have, I like dogs, I like cats, right? We have I like, okay? So these sentences are similar, but we can use a coordinating conjunction to make it, I like dogs and cats. And the conjunctions, we can easily remember what they are by this term here, fanboys, where each letter stands for one of the conjunctions. So F is for, A is for and, N is for nor, B is for but, O is for or, Y is for yet, and S is for so. Now, if these sentences were longer, then we would have to put a comma here before the coordinating conjunction. So when you're dealing with longer sentences, more full-size sentences, remember, you need a comma before any coordinating conjunction. Now here we have subordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions are used to show a relationship between two situations. So you'll see we have these two sentences here. It was hot outside. The ice cream melted. There is a relationship between these two sentences. So we can use a subordinating conjunction. And you'll see there's two ways to do it. The first way is the ice cream melted since it was hot outside. You'll see here we have no comma before the subordinating conjunction. So when the subordinating conjunction is in the middle of the sentence, we don't need a comma. However, if we take that subordinating conjunction and use it at the beginning of the sentence, then we do need a comma in the middle here when we add the second sentence. And below here you can see there are quite a few subordinating conjunctions, and you'll get to learn them the more you use them. Next we have our correlative conjunctions. Okay? Now correlative conjunctions are actually a pair of conjunctions that we use to join words or phrases that are similar. So here we have the two sentences, I don't like pizza, I don't like pasta. Okay? So now we're talking about two separate things that they don't like. We can use a correlative conjunction. I like neither pizza nor pasta. Okay, so here is our correlative conjunction. And some common correlative conjunctions are either or, neither nor, not only, but also. Okay, so these have to be used in pairs, together. So here we have some examples. We'll do these together. Okay? We're going to use some of these conjunctions and join these sentences together. So our first one, I want chicken, I want fish. We're going to use either or. Okay? So to change this sentence, we write, I want either chicken or fish. So you can see we took out this extra I want, right? And put either here before chicken and or before fish. Next we have, I don't like blue, I like red. So for this sentence, we have, I don't like blue, comma, but I like red. And our last sentence, I ate carrots, I got sick. Okay? Here, we have I ate carrots, I got sick. Now, the one we have to use is because. If I just put because here, I ate carrots because I got sick, that has a different meaning and that doesn't make much sense. But if we put it this way, I got sick because I ate carrots, that makes a little bit more sense. So now we have some exercises for you to try by yourself. Go ahead and pause the video. Try to make the sentence on your own without any help. And then when you're ready, unpause the video and I will go over the answer. So the first one, we have not only but also. Our new sentence will be, they not only play soccer, but also play baseball. The next sentence, it rained today, I got wet. It rained today, so I got wet. And the last one, the dog jumps, the dog runs. We get, the dog jumps and runs.